All right, guys, so let's go ahead and jump into this demo video. To jump right into creating your ebook, all you have to do is come here to the left-hand side, hit the eBooks sign, and then come here and hit this plus sign. Obviously, down here are all the ebooks that you have written for you already. So what I'm going to go ahead and do is copy that, hit this plus sign here, and this is pretty much where the magic happens. So here you can have ebooks created in pretty much any language that you see here, and we pretty much cover every major language from A to pretty much Z. Okay, and one thing also here that you'll notice is that I didn't have to put in any API key or any of that stuff. eBook Valet works right out of the box. We cover all of the API key costs and all of that. So you can just come in here and get to work right away without having to mess with any of your own API keys or worry about having any additional costs on the back end with ChatGPT or any of that. This works right out of the gate, okay? So if I come here and I type in the niche that I want, so for the purpose of this demo video, I'm going to go ahead and have an ebook written for me about the benefits of starting and having a whole life insurance policy for people in their 30s. Okay. I personally just set up my whole life insurance policy, so it's just something that is at the forefront of my mind right now. So I'm going to go ahead and create one for that, and then here you also have the word count. Okay, now depending on which level you purchase, you'll be able to move this dial around as much or as little as you'd like. Again, for the purpose of this demo video, I'm just going to go ahead and do a short 5,000 word report around this niche, just to pique the interest and let people know about the benefits of whole life insurance policies. And then if they have any questions, they can come back to me and I answer those questions. Okay. So a short 5,000 word report is just enough to let them know the power of a whole life insurance policy. And again, this is all just demo purposes. This is me just speaking out loud about my thought process if I were to be promoting whole life insurance. Now here we have two options. We have automatic and we have manual. All right. For the purpose of this demo video, I'm going to do one automatic right now. And then I'll come back and show you what the manual process looks like. Okay, pretty much they speak for themselves. The automatic one takes it from here and creates the entire ebook for you from start to finish. Writes it, formats it, inserts images, does everything for you. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and hit create ebook just for the purpose of this demo video. That's pretty much one way to come in here and quickly start having ebooks written for you. While that is being written for me, I'm going to go ahead and show you what the manual process looks like. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and hit this option here, the same thing that I just put. I'm going to hit the manual option, and here I'm going to also show you one additional thing. Oh, let me go ahead and move this over to 5,000. All right. Down here we have some advanced options. Okay, so this is what's going to allow you to add your call to actions, your monetization, and you'll even be able to add some URLs here so that eBook Valet can create ebooks from any URL you'd like. All right, now that specifically is an upgrade option. But if you do pick up our bundle deal, that is included, and you'll actually be able to add up to 3 different URLs to train with. So I'm going to go ahead and do that now. I'm going to copy this URL here, come back, paste that in there, add another one. Now what this is going to do, all right, is actually take the information from these different sources and write the ebook around there. So if there is a specific YouTube video that has some great information, you can put that in here. If you have a blog post that you want to turn into an ebook and has amazing information, you can put that in here. If you see a Reddit thread that has a bunch of great information around whole life insurance, you can put that in here. If you see someone posted on Quora where people ask and answer questions, you can put that in here. So any place of value that you find that has obviously a URL, you can copy the URL and bring it over here to have ebooks created around. any URL that you like, and that pretty much allows you to have a better control of what is included in your ebook, because it's going to scan and take all the information from what the URLs that I provide, train itself on that, and then write the ebook based off of this information. Okay, and then we also have, like I mentioned, a YouTube video if you wanted to put YouTube. Or if you have an existing PDF and you wanted to feed that information to the AI to write your ebook around that, you can do that as well. Now again, this is one of our upgrade options, but very, very powerful, so that you can kind of customize what is included in your ebook. And again, with this upgrade, you're getting 3 different URLs that you'll be able to put in there. And then here is where you have your monetization as well. So we'll click here, and then we'll put your affiliate link here.com. And again, you can also add multiple links here. So if you want to have your affiliate link, or you also want to have links to your blog, so that you can bring people back to your website and have your monetization on there. You can put links to your blog as well. All right. And if again you want to link to maybe your YouTube channel to get people to your YouTube account to become subscribers, you can do that as well. All right. And you'll be able to add up to 3 different monetization options there. And then down here you have your call to action. Okay. So not only are you going to be able to be sprinkling your PDF with affiliate links throughout, while people are reading, when people get to the end, you'll also have a strong call to action at the bottom where people will be able to click on your link as well. So the call to action will be book a phone call with me now to discuss which plan is best for you. And then here you can put whatever calendar URL you have, if that's how you want to monetize, or whatever URL you want here as your call to action. It can obviously be your affiliate link as well. All right, and then from here you just hit create ebook. All right, and then this is our manual mode. Okay, and our manual mode is very, very powerful, because it's going to allow you to have a lot more control on what happens in your ebook. And now you'll see that we have all of these options here that you can be manually involved with. Now, one thing I do want to point out is that everything automatically gets done by AI. So you can literally just choose your options, or remove options, or add options. But overall, everything already gets written in and filled in for you. And then you can manually select what you want covered. And here we have 3 options that it provides me with. And if I click through to each one, you'll see that the main topic and the different subtopics change as I flip through these different options. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and choose this one, understanding whole life insurance for people in their 30s, building financial security early. Okay, and then all these subtopics look good. What is whole life insurance? Why your 30s are the ideal time to start? How whole life insurance builds cash value over time? Comparing whole life insurance with other life insurance options. Tax advantages, using whole life insurance for retirement, protecting your family, common myths, and steps to choose the right whole life insurance policy. So you can see each topic and subtopic builds upon the previous one, so it makes it a complete ebook that truly adds value, and it's like an ebook that you would write manually, because every important thing that would come through someone's mind that's thinking about getting a whole life insurance gets covered here, and it gets covered in the correct order so that it provides a ton of value to them. And it's going to do this for any niche that you want as well. It's going to build you high quality ebooks that truly provide value, because that is what we want to create. Okay, we don't want to just create long ebooks for the sake of creating long ebooks. We want to create ebooks in a way that truly provide value, that truly make people want to purchase, that truly make people want to pretty much take the next step, where you make a commission, where you make a sale, where you get a lead, all of that stuff, and all that comes back to ensuring that your ebook provides a lot of value. All right, so I'm going to go ahead and continue. We do have to confirm each and every step. because each and every step builds upon the previous step. All right, so the next option is to pretty much dial in what audience we want to target with our ebook. And again, the AI does all of this for me, and you can customize it as much or as little as you like if you do not agree with what audience the AI came up for you. Okay. So here the demographics are individuals aged 30 to 39, both male and female, primarily residing in an urban and suburban areas in the United States, middle to upper middle income households, professional background, early to mid-career professionals, including salaried employees and self-employed entrepreneurs with stable income streams or varying degrees of financial literacy, their business characteristics, their goals, their challenges, their mindset, their needs and interests, and a summary at the bottom. And again, all of this is already filled in for me by the AI, but if I did want to customize it, that's why we have this manual option there. And then I hit continue, confirm, and each and every step from here is the exact same. Okay, the AI does it all for me, but if I didn't want to customize it, I can. Okay, I'm going to hit continue and confirm on the back cover, which was written for me. And then here, I can go ahead and customize the different title that I want as well. So you'll see we have about 7 options there to choose from. Okay, and it's going to provide me a title and a subtitle. All right, so you can choose which one you like. And then this is where you can customize your call to action even more. All right, so you can have the title of your call to action, the subtitle, and then down here you can have your call to action. So again, we'll do call me now as an example. The button text, click here to call, and then the URL that you want. All right, click to call url.com. Okay, continue, confirm, and then this is where you can customize the page background, the color of the headings, the font of the headings, the font and color and all of that of the subheadings, and you'll be able to see a preview of what that'll look like here. Same with the body, you'll be able to control as much or as little as you want on the font, the color, and same with the links, the images, what color of the border you want on your images, and then what the footer is going to look like as well. Okay, so this gives you full flexibility on what you want your ebook to look like. Okay, so if you wanted to match your branding, that is your pretty much your step to shine if you want that to match your branding. And then here you'll be able to customize your author profile. Again, each one of these steps gets generated automatically by AI, but if you want to put it in your actual name or in the name of your clients, then you can go ahead and customize this here as well. The first name, last name, the gender, the location, professional title, the bio, and their experience. And then down here, you'll be able to select the voice in case you want to go ahead and generate an audiobook for your ebook as well. All right. All right. And now when we get to the structure tab, this allows you to really go in and customize the different sections and subtopics and even the different chapters as much or as little as you like. All right, so you can edit the title, the subtitle, and the description of this particular section, the intro, subtopics that are covered in the intro, and then you can do that for each chapter that you'd like. So the title, subtitle, and the description of the main section, and then the subtopic number 1, subtopic number 2, and subtopic number 3. And then you can add more to it if you want to expand it even more. And again, you can do this for every single chapter, and you can even add chapters here on the left-hand side. Okay, but again, if you want to just kind of skim through it, the AI has already done it all for me. Okay. But this manual mode, as you can see, really lets you go in and have a lot more control of your ebook, what gets covered, and how it looks, the design, all of that stuff. And then here, when you get to the final step of the word counts, you'll even be able to control how many words gets covered in each and every single chapter. Okay. And then once you're done with that, you just hit continue and the ebook gets written for you. Now I'm going to go back to here and you'll see that this one has already finished. Okay, and pretty much since I selected the automatic mode for this one, everything was done for me. Okay, so if I click on download ebook, you'll see that this entire ebook was written for me, and you'll see the title that it generated for me was Rethinking Wealth Building in Your 30s, Contrarian Insights on Using Whole Life Insurance to Secure and Amplify Your Financial Future. Okay, and you'll see everything, all of this was written for me. And if we just scroll, you'll see not only was it written for me, but it was formatted. Everything looks great. All right, there's headings, subheadings, titles, all of that stuff. And you can read some of it to see just how quality this is as well. So this one here says, why your 30s matter for wealth building, the pivotal decade for financial foundations. Your 30s are a pivotal decade for building a strong financial foundation. During this time, you often find yourself balancing multiple priorities, growing your career or business, supporting your family, and planning for retirement. Each of these responsibilities demand attention, making it essential to adopt strategies that address your immediate needs and long-term goals simultaneously. This describes exactly, what I'm going through in my 30s right now. Okay, so this is a great ebook that has just been written for me in a hot niche that pays out some very, very good commissions. And you'll see that there's also even additional links and resources included in the ebook as well. And if I click on some of these, they will actually take me to those specific areas of the ebook. So if I click on this here, it takes me to that specific area of the ebook. And if I click on that there, it takes me to the specific area of that ebook. So each each part of the ebook builds on the previous one, and it links to different parts of the ebook as well, so that if someone needs to read something again, they can go back or they can go forward and understand more of that. All right, and another option that we have here is if I go back into eBook Valet, all right, I can go ahead and click this option here and go ahead and create an audio version of my ebook as well. Now, one thing you'll see here is we have the ability to input your 11 Labs API key as well. And this is going to allow you to pretty much have non-English audio creation with eBook Valet. That to be able to do that, you will have to input your 11 Labs API key. Okay, and then here you have your call to action. So we can do call me at, and then have your number here, and then at the end, the voiceover actor is going to go ahead and say your call to action as well. And down over here, you can obviously preview what the voices sound like, so you can choose the one that you want, and then you can go ahead and select how long you want your ebook to be. And again, this all depends on which level you purchase. All right, so that's how easy it is to go ahead and create an audio version. You can also do it all at once. If you go back to the create tab here at the bottom, okay, you can go ahead and just check this box on and select your audiobook to be created from the beginning. Okay, so there's two options. You can do it all at once while you're creating the ebook, or you can always come back and do it again as I just showed you. All right, and then here you can also edit your ebook as much or as little as you like. You just select the option that you want to edit. So you can edit the cover, the styles, the author, edit all the chapters as well. Okay, so if you wanted to change this background image, just click on that, click this option here, and then you can search for something like money. All right, you can search for anything you'd like, and boom, now the ebook is going to have this as the cover with the title over it. We are also going to have the ability to generate AI images in here as well, if you wanted to generate a fresh new AI image instead of using a stock footage. And then here you can control obviously the font and all of that of the title that's on the cover image as well. All right, but you can go ahead and edit any section that you want. I'm going to go ahead and discard those changes. But you can see here, you can click and edit any area of your ebook as much or as little as you'd like. All right, so we have a full-blown editor in here, and then you just hit your save changes to make to save those changes on your ebook. All right, and then if I come back here, we're also going to have some done for you ebooks in here that are pretty much already written for you. You'll be able to come in here and start using right away, download them, and those will also come with an entire email sequence that you can use to continue to build value and build trust with your subscribers. And you can also add monetization inside of those inside of those emails as well. So that is pretty much eBook Valet in a nutshell. You can come in here and quickly create ebooks around any niche and have our AI write, design, format, and do everything for you. And we have two ways that you can do it: auto mode or manual mode. And we're also going to have an entire Amazon KDP training that's going to show you how to quickly get these ebooks onto the Amazon training store, to show you how to immediately start profiting with your ebooks. And we're also going to have some additional traffic training coming as well that will show you how to start using your ebooks to build your list, make commissions, sell your ebooks, all of that stuff. All right, so this is definitely a complete system for you to go out there and leverage ebooks to put some quick and long-term money in your pocket, leveraging the power of ebooks.